can clear my head. 'Cause I get so overcome with anxiety, like there's an enemy living inside of me, like a mocker yelling out, telling lies to me. And I don't feel brave, but I don't have to be, 'cause I walk through the valley of shadows, and it scared me half to death. But you're with me everywhere I go, so I don't give up yet. My fear would surely kill me if I didn't know the truth. The things that I'm afraid of are afraid of you.
Hi, Sir Eman.
When my emotions turn against me, not faith nor
Ulit,
reason
beach pa din.
could convince me. You have patience left to fight for me.
Half of station 1 or pick 1. Beach pa din.
When my depression is affecting every ounce of me, I can get the medication and the counseling. Still I can hear the fear calling out to me. And I don't feel brave, but I don't have to be, 'cause I walk through the valley of shadows, and it scared me half to death. But you're with me everywhere I go, so I don't give up yet. My fear would surely kill me if I didn't know the truth. The things that I'm afraid of are afraid of. Right in front of my worst enemies, you're as calm and relaxed as can be. There's no place where the demons won't find me, but just wait till they see who's standing behind me. I walk through the valley of shadows, and it scared me half to death. But you're with me everywhere I go, so I don't give up yet. My fear would surely kill me if I didn't know the truth. The things that I'm afraid of are afraid of you. Oh, I walk through the valley of shadows, and it scared me half to death. But you're with me everywhere I go, so I won't give up yet. My fears would surely kill me if I didn't know the truth. The things that I'm afraid of are afraid of you. The things that I'm afraid of are afraid of you.